Closing your Crypto.com account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Crypto.com account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, which is usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Account Settings section, click on the Security tab and then select the Close Account option. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to close your account, and you may be asked to provide a reason for closing it. This is an optional step, but it can help Crypto.com improve their services. Before you close your account, make sure you have withdrawn all of your funds. You can do this by navigating to the Wallet section and selecting the Withdraw option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that closing your account will not cancel any pending transactions. If you have any pending transactions, you will need to wait for them to be processed before you can close your account. Once you have withdrawn all of your funds and confirmed that you want to close your account, click on the Close Account button. Your account will be closed, and you will no longer be able to access it. It is a good idea to take a few precautions before closing your account. Make sure you have backed up any important information, such as your transaction history, and that you have withdrawn all of your funds. Additionally, be aware that closing your account may have tax implications, so it is a good idea to consult with a tax professional before doing so. In summary, closing your Crypto.com account is a simple process that requires you to log into your account, navigate to the Account Settings section, and select the Close Account option. Before doing so, make sure you have withdrawn all of your funds and taken any necessary precautions. By following these steps, you can easily close your Crypto.com account.